Getting rid of a hickey could take some time, but there's a few simple tricks to try to help it fade faster. When you're done, as soon as you notice a hickey, apply a cold compress. You can use a clean cloth with ice wrapped in it, or a cold spoon, by the way. Okay? Press it gently on the hickey for about 10 to 15 minutes. It'll help reduce the swelling and limit the size of the mark. Alright? A good day or two, switch to warm compress. Apply heat, and it's going to improve blood flow to the area, which may help the bruise heal faster. You can use a warm cloth or a heated pad. Massage the area gently to help break up the blood that has pooled under the skin. Use your fingers to apply light pressure in circular motions. Over-the-counter creams or arnica gel may help reduce the appearance of the bruises, so make sure to follow the instructions on the product. And lastly, be patient, because hickeys usually fade on their own in about a week or two. So wearing clothes that cover it up, like a turtleneck, can help cover the area if you're worried about it being visible. What do you have to hide, bro?